I'd like to introduce a good friend of mine, Kate Trevillian.
Hey.
Kate is a transformational life coach that has added a lot of value to my life, a lot of my friends. We met through crewing at Anthony Robbins.
Yes,
Very
fun.
Yeah, we won't go down that rabbit hole. But Kate, you're coaching entrepreneurs all the time. You're always speaking to people that are looking to change something significant in their life. What's the number one thing that you've noticed that holds entrepreneurs back?
I would have to say unequivocally it is fear. And as I was telling you, I've just spent 3 days on the Gold Coast in a room full of entrepreneurs, and the amount of content that was being shared over the weekend was mindset stuff. So the strategy is in place. Anybody can be successful if they just follow the strategy, do the steps, and you're going to get there eventually. But if you don't have the mindset to support yourself following the steps, if you don't have the belief in yourself, and the belief when the evidence isn't even there yet, and I think that that's a key thing, is we want to see the evidence and then we go, okay, now I believe I can do it because I've seen the evidence. It doesn't work that way. And so if you don't yet have the evidence, you've got to create the mindset to get over the fear.
And how do we practice getting over our fears?
Oh, and you've heard me say this a zillion times, you've got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. It doesn't matter what area of your life, whether it's business, entrepreneurship, whether it's relationships, whether it's health and vitality, you've got to lift the weight, you've got to get uncomfortable. And if you have a fear of being uncomfortable, you have a fear of putting yourself outside of your comfort zone, you are never going to create any change.
What you're saying really is getting comfortable being uncomfortable is almost like a habit.
Absolutely.
That we've got to develop.
Yeah, like I've spent a lot of time over the last 10 years doing stuff where I am shitting myself so that I have become really comfortable with being uncomfortable. I recognise the fear come up, I tap into my courage and I do it anyway. The jumping out of a plane, speaking on stage. I was in a blind sense of panic. My first Facebook Live, if you go back and watch it, I'm virtually going to throw up on myself. I'm shitting myself that much. So, but it's doing the do so that now I have muscle memory of, I know what this feels like and I'm willing to be comfortable with this uncomfortableness so I can create the change that I want in my life.
Awesome. Drop us a comment and let us know how you've practiced being uncomfortable in the past, and don't forget to follow Kate here on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.
Bye.